Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Meet the Seatylock Mason Bike U-Lock, a patented heavy-duty anti-theft diamond secure U-Lock designed for city, electric, and mountain bikes, as well as scooters. With a security level of 19 out of 20, it combines lightweight portability with professional-grade protection and requires no code or chain. Its hard construction is designed to resist bolt cutters, drilling, picking, and sawing. The patented ultra-strength anti-theft technology features durable, waterproof, and weatherproof protection with triangle-shaped crossbars, tested to guard against thief attacks. A rust prevention coating and quality components provide dependable long-term protection, while its compact design makes it easy to carry. The unique automatic keyhole shutter helps protect against dust, dirt, rain, and other weather conditions. The lock also features double-thickness protective plates for added cutting resistance and a balance of lightweight design and maximum security. One important note, the mounting bracket for holding the lock is sold separately. Number 2. Meet the Seatylock FoldyLock Compact Lightweight Patented Folding Bike Lock, measuring 33.5 inches and designed for bikes and scooters. Priced at $81.21. This top-rated lightweight and compact bike lock provides portable, solid protection without requiring a code, while its strong construction is designed to resist bolt cutters, drilling, and sawing. The heavy-duty lock features patented ultra-secure, hardened, waterproof, and weatherproof protection with anti-tamper rivets and a multi-locking guard system designed to stop thieves. The Pro Kit includes master keys and an easy-carry case holder, while the flexible folding design opens to a 33.5-inch chain link circumference and locks securely to stands, racks, and bars. Its premium frame mount and locking bracket are designed for mountain, road, sport, standard bikes, and scooters, with a no-rattle design for a quieter ride. Winner of the 2020 European Design Award, this smart bike lock combines maximum anti-theft security with quality and is also a sold secure silver safety tool. Number 3. Meet the FoldyLock Forever Folding Bike Lock, a patented sleek high-security sold secure gold bicycle lock with a heavy-duty anti-theft smart guard, keys, and a 90 cm design, priced at $121.48. This super-strong bike lock provides portable and solid protection without codes, cables, or chains, making it suitable for city, outdoor, and urban cycling. Its bolt cutter and saw-resistant construction is designed to help stop thieves. With an 18 out of 18 security level and sold secure gold rating, it uses 0.25-inch hardened steel plates for maximum bike protection and is designed as a professional safety tool for electric bikes. Patented anti-theft technology includes ultra-strong anti-tamper rivets and a powerful guard system for protection against side attacks, along with waterproof and weatherproof construction. The bicycle lock frame mount provides secure installation for mountain, road, sport, standard bikes, e-bikes, scooters, and motorcycles, while helping reduce rattling for a quieter ride. The flexible folding lock opens to a 35.4-inch circumference and includes master keys, a case holder, and links for stands, racks, and bars. Number 4. Meet the KOHLBURG 13 pounds massive motorcycle chain lock, featuring sold secure diamond security, a 5-foot length, a 13 mm special steel chain, and a highest security level of 15 plus priced at $143.20. Designed for maximum security without weight compromises, this extremely heavy lock is built to protect high-quality bikes, e-bikes, and motorcycles. The 13 mm thick chain and 16 mm lock shackle are made from specially hardened manganese chromium steel, providing cut-resistant protection against bolt cutters with more than 100 knots cutting strength. Its integrated multi-disc cylinder offers protection against lock picking and includes anti-drilling security, while 4 keys are included. Sold secure testing confirmed protection against attack methods including a 3.5-foot bolt cutter, hydraulic jack, and drill, earning the highest diamond security level. Number 5. Meet the Kryptonite New York Standard Heavy-Duty U-Lock, a 16 mm anti-theft bike lock designed for e-bikes and scooters, priced at $140. Its 16 mm hardened max performance steel shackle provides strong resistance against cutting, prying, and leverage attacks. Patented anti-rotation features on this shackle help defend against twist-and-cut attacks, while the highest security disc-style cylinder is designed to resist picking and drilling for maximum lock integrity. The lock includes stainless steel keys with ergonomic heads designed to reduce torque and help prevent bending or breakage. A sliding dust cover protects the cylinder from dirt and debris to help maintain smooth operation. The included FlexFrame U-bracket provides convenient multi-location U-lock transport and is included on New York STD models only. Heat-treated, precision-hardened construction delivers long-lasting durability and reliable theft protection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.